Stay tuned for my first product empties video. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing my very first empties video. So excited about this. Let's get into it. So first up, we have Tailored Beauty's Edge Control. This is the Jamaican Black Castor Edge Control. This is my second empty of this. This edge control is the bomb. If you have not tried it out, definitely recommend it. I think I absolutely love edge controls that have argan, that have black castor oil in them. Seems to be the trend for me. But yes, Tailored Beauty Jamaican Black Castor Oil Edge Control. Definitely will repurchase, definitely recommend it. Next up is the Lavish Curls Hair Growth Oil. And this hair growth oil is bomb. Very lightweight, you can use it every day. It definitely helps to promote healthy hair growth. And this was created by a fellow YouTuber. I'll leave her information in the description box, so make sure you support and check her out. Definitely recommend this, and I would definitely repurchase. So next up is the Let's Jam Condition and Shine Extra Hold Gel. Now this one is a new one for me. I never have done protector styles on my hair until recently. I've been doing spring twists. I've done 2 spring twists so far. I'll link those videos in the cards above. But for those spring twists, this is the holy grail. So anytime you're doing protective styles, I definitely recommend you get some of this. So this is a definite repurchase. I'm definitely gonna look for a bigger jar, but if not, I'll definitely be purchasing at least 2 to 3 of these. Next up is the TGIN Rosewater Hydrating Hair Mask, and I just did a video comparing this one to the Honey Miracle Hair Mask. I'll link that video in the cards above. But this hair mask smells amazing, great slip, has your curls popping. Definitely recommend this. I will definitely be repurchasing another one of these. So next up, this one is not an empty, as you can see. It's pretty full still, so I've only used this once. This is the Curl Keeper Original Styler Frizz-Free Curls. Now, I'm not really sure what type of product this is. It's not really a gel, it's pretty liquidy. I'm not sure. I was gifted this to do a review. I tried it out. It definitely had my curls popping. I used this alone, so maybe that was one of the problems. But when I try a product out, I try to use it by itself just to see if it really works. And this, it didn't work for me. I don't know. Let me know in the comment sections below if you guys use this and what you paired it with. But for me, this one was a no. It did give me some definition. I did a wash and go style with it, so it gave me some definition. I did have a lot of frizz, so it wasn't frizz free, and my hair felt really dry. So probably if I would have paired it with a good leave-in conditioner, it might have worked. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. Should I toss it or should I try it again? I don't know. Next up are 2 products from Cara Curl Essence line, the Moisturizing Co-Wash and the Moisturizing Healthy Edges. Both of these contain Jamaican Black Castor Oil and Coconut Oil. These 2 are a definite recommendation, definite repurchase. I'm not a big fan of co-washes, but I really enjoyed this one. And this edge control, again, any edge control with Jamaican Black Castor Oil is the edge control for me. Like, it just, I don't know, I just love it. So these 2, definitely recommend, definitely will be repurchasing. Next up is an OG brand to all types of hair care, not just natural hair care. And if you have never tried this brand, where have you been all of your life? Lustrous Pink. And these are from the Shea Butter Coconut Oil line for natural textured hair. This is the leave-in conditioner and the co-wash cleansing conditioner. Again, I'm not a big fan of co-washes, but this one, definitely an A+. And this leave-in conditioner, amazing slip, moisturizing. You can literally use this as a styler. Definitely recommend all of the products from this line. Like, Luster's Pink. Come on now. So next up in my product Empties is the Main Choice Proceed with Caution line. This is the Slippery When Wet shampoo and the 4-way conditioner. When I tell you I am so sad that these are empty, I'm seriously so sad. Like, I could cry. These products, A+. A++++++. If you have not tried these two products, I don't know what to tell you. Definite recommendation. Definitely will be purchasing more of these. Bomb. Bomb. And last but not least in my product Empties is from Mielle Organics, and it is from the Pomegranate and Honey collection. My absolute favorite collection from this brand. So this is the leave-in conditioner, which I keep one of these on deck. Like, I will not ever be without one of these leave-in conditioners. And then we have the shampoo and conditioner. These were okay. Love the line, love the styling products. I won't say that these were bad, but I won't say that I would repurchase these two items, but these are a good shampoo conditioner duo. Don't have anything bad to say about them. I just wouldn't repurchase them for me, but this leave-in, got to have one of these on deck at all times. That concludes my product Empties. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I hope you learned about maybe some new products, got some products that you are going to try out from this video. Let me know in the comment sections below which of these products you've tried or which of these products you plan on trying. Hope that you guys have enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching my very first product Empties video. So excited about that. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you in my next video.